Hello, my name is Ryan Green, and I am doing my criminal profile project on Luka Magnotta. Luka Magnotta is known for filming himself gruesomely killing a man. He is also known for making a YouTube series involving extreme acts of animal cruelty against cats. Luka Magnotta even has a Netflix series about him called Don't Fuck with Cats. Luka Magnotta, formerly known as Eric Newman, was born on July 24th, 1982. He was born in Scarborough, Ontario, where he lived with his parents, Anna Yorkin and Donald Newman, and two younger siblings. Luka claims his mother was obsessed with cleaning and would routinely lock her kids outside. In 1994, Luka's father was diagnosed with schizophrenia. After a messy divorce, Luka Magnotta was forced to go live with his grandmother. In Luka's teenage years, he dropped out of high school in grade 11. After he dropped out of school, his life started to go downhill. He moved around a lot and was in and out of group homes and mental hospitals. In the early 2000s, Luka started severely suffering from mental health and required medical aid. He started having hallucinations, confusion, and paranoid thoughts. The doctors diagnosed him with paranoid schizophrenia. After this, Luka became a stripper and a strip escort. He also started appearing in gay pornographic films. In 2006, he legally changed his name to Luka Magnotta due to being convicted of fraud and impersonation over credit card scam. In 2010, Luka Magnotta posted a YouTube series involving him killing and torturing cats. One of these videos, called One Boy, Two Kittens, featured Luka putting two kittens in a Ziploc bag and then him sucking the air out with a vacuum cleaner. In another video, Luka fed a live cat to a python. Find the Kitten Vacuumer was a Facebook group created in protest to Luka's cat videos. This group attracted a significant following. In January 2011, Luka was identified as the source of the gruesome cat videos, and animal rights groups offered a $5,000 reward for anyone who apprehended him. Luka started to leave breadcrumbs leading online detectives to dead ends and false leads. June Lin, also known as Justin Lin, was born December 1978. Lin was an international student from Wuhan, China. He had been studying at the Concordia University in Montreal. After his last cat video, Luka Magnotta had one of his emails published by The Sun. This email said, "I'll be back, and this time the victims won't be animals." On May 29, 2012, police received reports that Lin had gone missing. He had last been seen on May 24th. On May 25th, an 11-minute video titled "One Lunatic, One Ice Pick" was posted to a controversial website. The video featured Luka dismembering Lin using tools, cannibalism, and acts of necrophilia. After the video was posted, Luka bought a round trip to Paris and boarded a plane wearing a disguise. On May 29, 2012, the first of the body parts were found. Luka had boxed up the body parts and mailed them to different places in Canada. A left foot was sent to the Conservative Party headquarters, and a left hand was intercepted heading for the Liberal Party. Later, a decomposing torso was found behind Luka's apartment. The torso was left in a suitcase in an alley. A police search of the surrounding area found human remains, bloody clothing, and ID papers. The body was identified as Lin. After the authorities figured out that Luka left Canada for Paris, he was placed onto Interpol's Most Wanted list. On June 4th, he was arrested in an internet cafe in Berlin. Luka was in the cafe reading news articles about himself. Luka Magnotta was extradited back to Canada on June 18th. Luka was being charged with first-degree murder and various other offenses, such as offering indignities to a human body and using the postal service to distribute obscene materials. Luka pled not guilty to all charges, but admitted all acts of which he was accused, but claimed diminished responsibility due to mental disorder. His lawyer claimed he was in a psychotic state when he killed Lynn. Luka also claims that a man named Manuel Lopez forced him to murder Lynn and torture cats, but there is no evidence that Lopez even exists. After 12 weeks of trial and 8 days of jury deliberations, Luka Magnotta was found guilty on all charges. Luka received an automatic life sentence with no parole for 25 years. In addition to his life sentence, Luka has an additional 19 years for other offenses as well. Luka is currently serving his sentence at the Quebec Federal Detention Center. In 2017, Luka got married to another inmate. Luka's husband, Anthony Jolin, is a convicted killer serving his own life sentence as well. In 2018, Anna Yorkin, Luka's mother, helped Brian Whitney write a book about her son. My Son, the Killer, The Untold Story of Luka Magnotta and One Lunatic, One Ice Pick is the story about Luka's life. In this book, Luka's mother says she has forgiven Luka and states that she still loves him unconditionally. Anna also offers her condolences to Lynn's family. Overall, Luka Magnotta's rough childhood and mental illnesses caused him to do cruel and disgusting acts. Luka was convicted of first-degree murder, harassing members of parliament, offering indignities to a human body, publishing obscene material, and mailing obscene material. He is currently serving his sentence in the Quebec Federal Detention Center. Thank you for watching my criminal profile on Luka Magnotta.